Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our live trading session. I'm going to use our all-in panel. We're going to look for some targets. This is Euro USD, unusual targets. We can see target is down the bottom, and we are around 32 pips away from that target. And let's check the statistics. We got 87% chances that the price will get to this target today, guys. Yes, we got 87% chances that the price will get here. So what can we do now? We can look for some short opportunities. But before we do that, we're gonna check higher time frame to see what's going on the chart. Which are we in the trend or are we in the range? So we're gonna check that. I'm just gonna copy this level here, 18230, 18230, 230. I'm gonna copy that. Okay, so we're gonna try to get to that target, but you can see the price is moving up at this moment. That's okay. London just opened, so probably London is moving price a little bit. 1 hour time frame. Let's check what's going on from higher time frame. We can look for some rotation channels from the market structure, of course. So what's going on? We are breaking through some kind of range because the price was moving in the range for a couple of days, like you can see on the chart here. Now we got some breakout, so there is a chance that the price will go higher. I'm not sure if we can find any rotation channel using 1 hour time frame. Probably yes. The only thing is that this tiny rotation channel, the target is outside that channel. So we can try to open the short position maybe later, but probably before we're gonna get to the target, we'll have to close the position. Maybe we're gonna make a plan, of course. And one more indicator, the indicator which is gonna show us Asian session. That's quite important because we are using Asian session all the time. London, USA, we can remove. Okay, so this is our Asian session, guys. We are at the top of this some kind of rotation channel. I'm going to move it a little bit, and there is a chance we're going to drop down because we stopped at the top of this channel, and we can see that the price got into liquidity zone from Asian session right here. This is quite important because if we're going to have strong reaction, probably we're going to have a chance to go down to get to this target. Sometimes all we need to check on the chart is the simple trend line. So we're going to wait for the breakout through this trend line, and then we're going to look for a chance to open the trade to go down to this target at the bottom. I'm going to change the style color for black. Okay, so this is our trend line, and let's wait for reaction of sellers. We got into liquidity zone, and let's check if we're gonna go down now. We are waiting for the breakout through this trend line, then we're gonna look for some opportunity to go down. When we are looking at this rotation channel, we got plenty of space to the other side of this channel. So we're gonna try to use it, okay? So this is basically simple plan using liquidity from Asian session, trend line, and target. Very simple, but very effective also. What else can we see from 1 hour time frame? Do we have any important zones? Let's have a look. We are getting close, guys, to the point of control. This can be also quite important. This can be a trigger for sellers. We got nice impulse here, so we can see that the sellers came to the market right in this place. The impulse started over here. So I'm going to mark this place on the chart. If we're going to have another confirmations, we might even set pending order right in this place. So this is our high volume edge. This is our high volume edge. Let's check on the MT4 platform if we have any volume levels. Volume levels, yes. We don't have any volume levels, but for sure we need to be careful at those two volume levels which are under the price, because if we're going to look for the trade to go down and we're going to enter the position here right at the volume levels, there is a possibility that the price will reverse. So for us, this information is the key, because if the price will drop and we're going to see reaction at this level, we're going to wait for retest, and then after reaction we're going to try to go down. So I'm not going to open the trade before those two volume levels are not going to be settled, okay? So we need to wait for that. We don't have any other confirmations regarding high volume edge, so the point of control. This can be a nice area, but without any other confirmations, for me it's going to be hard to open the trade. Ending order, okay, sell limit order at this area. It can be nice, but without any confirmations, guys, it can be also hard to use it, okay? So let's leave it for now. Monday. This is from Monday. Okay. So Euro USD, basically, we got set up, but we need to wait for the price to break through. So like I said, I'm not going to set limit order right here. Maybe if the price will get to this area and we're going to have reaction, then we're going to look for the trade. I want to add those two levels, 18.432, 18.432. So the plan is to break through, reaction at volume level, and then we're going to look for the trade to get to that target, which is at the bottom. Maybe our trade profit will be a little bit before that, or maybe we're just going to secure the trade. Add new trade, Euro USD, we want to sell, strategy, basic sell. Lot size, I'm not sure, we're going to change that later. Profits, not sure yet, open price, random for now, because we don't know exact entry. We're going to have to wait for that until 2026. Open time, not sure. Close time, not sure. Stop loss, maybe 10 pips, we will see. And risk 0.25 probably. Okay, and I don't want to count this to statistics, so I'm going to save it as a trading plan. And this is our first plan of the day. Today, yes, Euro USD. Let's have a look. This is our plan for Euro USD using all-in target, okay? So yes, guys, that is the first plan. We can have a look at GBP USD, what's going on here, or maybe we should have a look at gold. And right here we got target, guys, with the statistic of 81%. Which is pretty good, I can say. Do we have enough space to get to this target? It's very close, 390 pips. For gold at this moment, it's not too much, but we can see the target is right at the bottom. So we're going to make a simple plan how to get to the target. Okay, so this is 5 minutes time frame. I want to move to trading view 497848. Basically, we could set pending order. We can try to do that, guys. Platform is ready. Let's go to gold. Let's set pending order. This can be a nice place. I need double confirmation, but this can be a nice place for short position here. Let's have a look if we got any volume levels on gold. We have, but this volume level is a little bit higher, so we cannot use it for now. I thought we're gonna have something right here, so we can set pending order. We're gonna leave this trend line for now. If the price will go down and we're gonna break through this trend line, maybe we're gonna open the position. We can have a look at other confirmations as well. This is volume area, you can see it's reacting now. The price is getting a little bit higher, but that's okay. Even if we're gonna go higher, guys, maybe later we're gonna have a chance to use this target. If the price will go higher, we're gonna have more space, so maybe our risk to reward will be much better. At the moment the price is going up, so we're gonna leave that for now. We're gonna come back to this target maybe in a few minutes time. Let's go back to euro still pushing up. We will see what's going to happen after the price will get to this high volume edge from last week, because this might be trigger for sellers, and we're going to look for the trade to go down to get to our target, which is around 40 pips at this moment away. What about USD CHF? Can we look? Yes, we can have a look at USD CHF. Why not? We have a look from 1 hour time frame. Before we're going to check everything, I want to see if there are any targets on USD CHF. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. This target is already, no, it's still valid, but we are too close. I'm going to change for different hours also. 7 a.m. is working pretty good. And from target from 7 a.m., we got 88%, nearly 89% chances that the price will come back to this target. So we're going to use it to open the trade. Okay, we need to find a place to enter the trade, find the place for our stop loss. So we know the target is here. Let's have a look at Asian session, guys. We are in liquidity zone at this moment. There was a small reaction. Okay, I'm gonna mark that on the chart. You can see on the chart that we got another target from the 2nd of February. We are heading to that target, so maybe the price will go a little bit lower, and after we're gonna have a chance. It doesn't matter from here or from here, we're gonna have enough space to open the trade, that's for sure. So this is our liquidity zone, and the price is slowly reacting here. Okay, so we can also add the trend line, and we can check volume levels. Always another confirmation for us. Also, we can find a place where the price can react. We got small problem because we got 2 volume levels on the way to the target, and they are in the same place. You can see this is a similar situation as on Euro USD. We got also double volume levels, so we might use it. Probably we won't open the position before unless the price will drop a little bit lower, so we're gonna have more space to open the trade. But if the price will go up now, probably we can use those volume levels to see if there's gonna be a reaction. So let me just add the trend line right here, because if we're gonna break through and we're gonna get to those volume levels, we can expect reaction. So maybe after reaction, we're gonna have a chance to enter the trade. We should have enough space for our stop loss and take profit 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2. This can be a good trade, but after reaction on those two volume levels, because if we're going to enter the position too early, let's say we're going to enter position here, there is a chance that the price will get here and we're going to see reaction, and we don't want to do that. But of course, if the price will go lower, we're going to have more space. So after the breakout, guys, we can enter the trade, and before we're going to get here, we can secure the trade. So we're going to have, probably this option will be better, but I'm going to look for two different scenarios. I'm not sure which one is going to work. We need to wait and see what's going to happen in the next hour, let's say. Okay, so I'm going to save the screenshot and we're going to put the trading plan into the trading journal. This is USD CHF. Also simple setup, guys. Okay, let's have a look at crude oil. Oh, they are going up. Nice. They are heading to gap from today. Maybe we're gonna have a chance to enter this trade. And let's have a look at daily targets. Crude oil. Anything close by? Yeah, the target. Sorry, the price is nearly there. We are getting very close to the target from all-in ASAP strategy. So probably we won't use it. There is a gap, so probably we are about to close this gap. Okay, so probably we are about to close this gap, but who knows? Let's have a look at one more thing. We missed opportunity, guys. We're supposed to be in the trade already, like 10 minutes ago. Okay, we are too late, so not now. Maybe after the pullback, and if we're gonna retest this trend line, we may look for opportunity to go up, but not at this moment, not now. What's going on from higher time frame? I need to remove everything. This is sessions, good. Maybe something like this. This is 4-hour time frame. This can tell us a lot, basically, because if we're gonna bounce, the price will go a little bit lower, and we're gonna bounce from this bottom edge of rotation channel. We might have a chance today for some long opportunities, and this can be a good option for us. Of course, we're going to look for lower time frame to find the space to enter the trade. This is looking good because we are in bullish rotation channel from higher time frame. That's what we want to use. This target, the price didn't get to this target yet. So if we're going to drop down, maybe we're going to have a chance to use this target later because we got some space right here. So we might bounce from this edge of rotation channel. So if the price will go down now, we're gonna still have a target right here, and maybe from this area we're gonna look for the trade to get to the target. Also, if the price will drop to the edge of this rotation channel, we may look at volume footprint to look for the specific pattern to enter the trade. Okay, we use that on Friday. I want to show you because on Friday we made profit on that. On crude oil, we used order flow to enter the position, and we got full take profit on that. That trade was open on our live trading session. So we might use it also today. This volume footprint is showing us a great place for reversal. So if we're gonna mark some support resistance on rotation channels from higher time frame, and then we're gonna go to lower time frame and we're gonna look for volume footprint, and we're gonna see specific situation. This is working great for some reversals. Okay, so if we're gonna enter the position, we might catch very nice profit. Usually 1 to 2, but depends in which place the price is at the moment. Sometimes we can get much more than 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So we're gonna have a look at that. But we need some time now. So on crude oil, I would prefer to wait for the price to drop somewhere around this area at the bottom. You can also check. Now this is the low, and we got volume level down the bottom. Look at this, guys, 5245, 5245. Where is that? 5245. 6245, sorry. Yeah, guys, look at this. The volume level is right at the bottom of rotation channel from higher time frame. So I will definitely look for that place. I'm not sure if the price might go higher. Maybe we're gonna get there later. I'm not sure. Maybe first we're gonna close the gap. Anyway, we cannot use the target from all in ASAP at this moment because we are too close. We are just a few pips away. Or it means time frame. Yes, we are about to get to that target, 7 pips away. Very, very close. So at this moment, this area is the area I'm gonna look for the trade to go up. If we're gonna enter in the right place, we might have a chance to grab a lot of pips, guys, because we are at the bottom of rotation channel from higher time frame. We can enter the position with a small stop loss, secure the trade quickly, and we can get a lot of pips. A lot of pips. Euro going down. Yes, guys, look at this. Euro is slowly going down. We are about to break through this trend line right here. Why not? I'm just thinking about to open the trade maybe a little bit earlier. But we got some. I know we got trend line here, and it can be risky to open the trade. But we got reaction in the liquid zone from Asian session, and we are reacting. We bounce from the top of this rotation channel. Okay, let's wait then. Let's wait. To open the trade now wouldn't be the worst idea, but it can be a little bit risky. So let's wait for the price to get to this volume level after pullback. We're gonna try to enter the trade. It's gonna be more safe for us because we got 2 volume levels at 1 level, okay? So this area might be strong, and on top of that, we got some imbalance on the left-hand side, which can also be a trigger for buyers. So safe option is to wait for the price to get to this volume level, then pull back, and we're gonna try to enter the position. The best if they're gonna leave some imbalance behind. So maybe we're gonna set pending order for pullback, and we're gonna have better entry, something similar like last week. And we're gonna have plenty of space, maybe bigger risk to reward for us. But good. The price is going down, so we're gonna wait for that. The gold stopped. The moment. Okay, USD CAD. Probably we got some target as well, so let's check it out. USD CAD. Right here, okay. Okay, close. I'm gonna remove all the objects. Great, and let's put all in panel. Yes, we have target. Basically, we got 2 targets, but one is from Friday. I prefer the targets, fresh ones, current ones from today. Okay, Asian session, we can see the price got into liquidity zone. Can try to find trend line, but it's a little bit tight. Not too many pips left, only 7 or 8 pips left at this moment. So probably it's gonna be better to wait for the price to drop a little bit lower. I can see some imbalance from Friday. Maybe it's gonna be good place. 1 second, load, volume edge, okay. But we have nice volume level under the price in liquidity zone. Guys, this can be pretty good. 1 second, I'm going to show you. I'm gonna move that to trading view. 36166, 36166, 36166. This is our volume level. Volume doesn't matter what color. Okay. And if we look at 1 hour time frame, we can see liquidity zone right here. Liquid. Oh, this can be a nice place for us to enter the position because we had some strong impulse right here. This is a higher time frame. Then the price was moving in some kind of consolidation, some kind of range style. Okay. All right, we can see we went up here, they grabbed some liquidity, went to the other side. Also, they grabbed some liquidity from here, but I can see like double bottom here, some equal lows. This one here and this one here. And if we're gonna go down here, the buyers may activate, and this can be a good place for us to enter the position to go up. Okay, and if we're gonna still have the target from all in ASAP, which is right here, 36585. This can be our target, 36585. So yeah, let's go a little bit lower. I would like to see the price to get here. And we're gonna have plenty of space, and we can try to get even higher, guys. So this can be in this area, can be nice for us. Maybe for next trading session, because we're gonna have another live trading session at 2 p.m. So maybe the price will go down, and later on we're gonna have our chance to get into that position. If the price will go first to the target, then we're gonna drop. We can still use this setup, okay, to go up, but it's gonna be better for us if we're gonna go down now, because statistics showing us that the price should come back to this target today. We got more than 80% chances that the price will get there, okay? Let's then drop to this volume level. This area will be very nice to enter the trade. Remember, guys, when we are retesting this kind of channels, like from higher time frames, the price like to bounce a few times. So if we're gonna have a reaction, there is a chance the price will come back, bounce again, and then we're gonna go up. So sometimes it's better not to move your stop loss, leave it like it's in the beginning. So we will see. We're gonna try to use also order flow in this area when the price will get to this volume edge of rotation channel. We still got target from all in ASAP, so we're gonna try to use it. We're gonna have more space from here to the target. So yes, I'm gonna leave this trend line. I want to see if there's gonna be reaction here. Okay. This is crude oil. Okay, we are looking at crude oil. Let me just change the settings. I'm gonna put the watermark so you can see which currency pair is it. Good. Let me just add this target, crude oil. This target is 63.19. 63.19. And we can still use it, guys. It's still valid, okay? So we're gonna try to use this volume level and edge of rotation channel to enter the position. I'm gonna look for volume footprint later on. If the price will get here, maybe we're gonna find a good place to enter the position. If not, I'm gonna wait for a strong reaction, some imbalance, pullback, and after the pullback, I will try to enter the position to get to the target. Probably we can add later some trend line, but at this moment, we don't have that information. At this moment, we got only this trend line right here, okay? So this can work. I'm pretty sure that most of the traders enter the position right here to close the gap. And a lot of them probably got stop loss here. So, you know, you can cut the stop losses, get to the volume level, and then you can try to get to the target, maybe to close the gap even, but later on. I think it's too early at this moment. You can see Euro is reacting to the trend line. So we still have a chance that the price will get here to this high volume edge, and then there's gonna be reaction. If yes, for us it's even better because we're gonna have more space, guys, to open the trade. And we got very nice target right at the bottom, a lot of pips to get. But the only thing is we need to find the right place to enter the position. So up, and this can be trigger for buyers. If we're gonna retest here, we're gonna have a space to open the trade before those volume levels. So even if we're gonna enter the trade somewhere here, after price will get to the volume level, we can secure the trade. We can take some of the profits already. So yeah, let them go and let's see what's going on. We need some time, maybe another 30 minutes, go up, down, something like that. Probably yes. So Euro, we are waiting. USD, CAD. Also, we are waiting. You can see the price is slowly going down. So, like I said, this area under the liquidity zone over here, we got volume level. This can be nice trigger for buyers. So we might use that. Okay, what else we got? Any other targets? USD, CHF. I think we talked about USD CHF, pretty sure yes. USD CHF also got nice target, but the better if the price will go a little bit lower, because I don't want to open position too close to the volume levels. Too risky, guys. So let them drop down, and after the breakout, we're gonna have more space before volume levels, and then we're gonna look for the trade to, 1 hour time frame. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna move this trend line a little bit, or maybe leave it like this. Okay. The price, maybe they are heading to this target, and after gonna reach this target, simple trend line, guys, breakout, retest, and we got a lot of targets today. Nearly on every single currency pair, we got fresh targets from 229 or 227. Check it out, guys. Sometimes it's very, very simple plan. You don't need to think too much to use those targets because, like you can see the statistics, this one here got 88.78% chances that the price will get to this target today. And we want to use this information, okay? We want to use those statistics. You can see trading days, 615 trading days were checked by the all-in panel, and we got 88%, nearly 89%. The targets are closing the same day, so the price is coming back to them. We got target on euro, we got target on GBP, USD CHF, USD CAD, gold, and also on crude oil. Yes, the crude oil also, we have a target, and we can still use it. Okay, I think euro is going higher. Yes, probably we're gonna get to this high volume edge, and we might have a reaction right there. Good place for reaction. We are somewhere around the top of rotation channel, tiny rotation channel. We are not too far. Guys, we still have a chance for the target on gold. We still got this trend line right here. Just need to see the breakouts, and then we're gonna try to enter the trade. I want to check gold. 2 seconds. I'm going to put some indicator. AI volume. Let's check AI volume. This is 5 minutes time frame. No, I thought it's gonna help us. Not at this moment. No. So yeah, we guys waiting for basically 4 currency pairs, 4 assets: Euro USD, USD CAD, USD CHF, and gold, and maybe 5 crude oil also. So we got something to do. We might have a chance to get some nice profits, but we need some more information from the market. Crude oil is now retesting the trend line, so there is a chance we're gonna go higher. But for me, the best place is gonna be from here. So I'm gonna wait for that. Even if the price will go higher, that's okay. I'm gonna look for some other opportunities, but this can be very, very nice area to enter the trade at that volume level. Not yet. USD CHF going down. Good. Because we are moving away from the targets. That means we're gonna have more space, okay? More space. Sometimes when the price is close to the target, it's hard to open the position because our stop loss is gonna be very tight, and there's more. We got more chances that we're gonna hit stop loss. But when we got a lot of space, like now we are getting more and more space, better for us. We can set tiny stop loss, but we can have better risk to reward ratio, like 1-2, 1-3, 1-5 sometimes. We can get much bigger profit. So it's worth waiting, guys. It's worth waiting. We need to be patient and wait for the right moment to enter the position. Don't do it too early. It's better to wait. So crude oil, it doesn't look like they want to go up. Probably we will get here, hopefully. This is a nice place to enter the trade. Gold, we need to wait for the price to break through this trend line, and we're gonna maybe enter the position from lower time frame. But 5 minutes also can be good, because sometimes when we look at 1 minute time frame, we might have a breakout and small retest from 1 minute time frame, and then we're gonna have a chance to enter the trade to get to this target with smaller stop loss, so it can give us better risk to reward ratio. But we need to wait for the price to drop this trend line and break through, okay? And we're gonna have a place to enter the trade. Target at the bottom. I think it's pretty nice. Also USD CHF, the same similar plan we talked about before. USD CAD also target. So guys, plenty of targets to use today. Just need to wait for that perfect place to enter the position.